If you're ready to start making money with AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can start making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to not only give you free AI tools and proof showing you exactly what I'm doing, you're going to get access to this checklist that you see right here. This is the digital playbook. This has a list of over 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. This is the actual checklist right here that takes you through step by step. You got the videos of the tutorials over here of how to set up everything. These are the prompts that I use for my short form content that you're able to have access to. These are actually the short form videos that I use in the background. All of this for free. You get access to all of this right here, over 700, I think. And then these are blueprints to the make.com scenarios that I use in my own business and for my clients. To get access to all of this, all you need to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your first name and email, and you will get taken to our free course right here. Now, this will be free forever. I give you access to all this stuff. I do have some paid things you can get, like the Robot Profits Bootcamp, and then these are for the more advanced people that are not brand new to content creation and social media. But once you get in here, you'll have access to the digital playbook, like I said, chat right here where we all chat back and forth, mostly me, members only, where I put some videos that are only for the members and don't go on YouTube, and a bunch of other really cool free stuff. So all of this stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert, you don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist that I'm going to be giving you free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything you need to start earning money online. Now, all I ask is just subscribe, drop a comment down below that lets me know that you're taking action, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. So once you join and get access to the checklist, first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab this tool called Go High Level. Now, there's plenty of other CRMs out there, but I like this one because it's all in one and you have a 14-day free trial. So once you go ahead and sign up for Go High Level, you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this. The three main areas that we want to focus on are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing is where the social planner is going to be, where we're going to be able to schedule out our content for weeks, months in advance. Automations, this is where we build out the email sequences that we're going to be able to send out emails on autopilot. And sites, this is where we build out our funnel that's going to allow us to get people's first names and email addresses, which is then going to allow them to get put into our automations. Now, so you guys don't have to do any of this, if you go back to the digital playbook, just follow the checklist. The next thing on the checklist is going to be for you to import a snapshot. And what that is a snapshot allows you to import my whole system and infrastructure into your own Go High Level account. So you would just hit yes, import all of that, and then once you do import it, you'll go back into your sites. You'll notice that you have all of these. These are funnels. You'll have all of these websites. Automations is probably one of the most important ones that you're going to have. You'll have all these different automations, the email automations, notifications, everything that you need to get started. So let's go ahead and go into sites and look at the front end of this, which is going to be your funnel. So let's just go to the digital playbook one. This is mine, and I actually give you this to use. Super simple. Now, you guys might not have a checklist, so you might want to have a different lead magnet. I talk about that inside my group, but something super like this where they need to do is first name, email, and then they will get put into that email automation like I talked about earlier. Now, one of the things that you're going to need is you're going to need to come up with a domain name. Mine is obviously Digital Playbook, but luckily another reason why I like Go High Level is because you are able to purchase a domain straight from within their site. So super affordable, and go ahead and go through that process. I left a little document right here that takes you through it step by step. Next, going through the checklist is you're going to need to create 3 different social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, I left TikTok off of this because TikTok doesn't really like AI content, but if you're familiar with TikTok and you want to post on TikTok, go ahead. After you do that, I give you 2 options. Take the done for you videos right here and download them, which is what most people are going to do, or we can go into Gen 3 and we are able to take videos that we create in replicate and turn those into images. So what replicate is it allows you to use a prompt and you're able to make images like this. But also, as you can see up here, I have it prompted using my picture and face. So for example, if I want to go with Mike is, it's going to create a picture of me actually fighting a robot. And you're seeing this in real time, how quick this is happening. And it is going to make a really detailed picture. So what I think is happening is, since it's not already prompted with my name and I'm not giving a lot of detail, it's not going to do it very well. Okay, that's a lot better. So Mike is at the zoo. Now, obviously, what I would be doing if I was doing this for real is I would make this go down here, make this into a 16 or a 9:16 aspect ratio, and I would go into ChatGPT and I would make this a more detailed prompt. But this is super beneficial and helpful, and this is what, if you go to now if we go to my Instagram account, you can see this is what I do for a lot of my short form videos. Now also, another tool that I'm going to talk about real quick, if you don't want to go the route of doing replicate or you don't want to use these videos, there is a tool that I use called Blotato. This tool right here allows you to create viral posts and faceless videos. So if we want to go back to my Instagram account, this is one of the tools, or this is video was generated with Blotato. So I'm going to briefly go through this. Now I have other videos on my channel that show you how to use this tool, but all you would do is just sign up for free and you're able to do a bunch of really cool stuff on here. Like you're able to use this as your own social planner, but I use the Go High Level version. And then you're able to actually create different prompts and stuff. Like if you want to create LinkedIn posts, Twitter posts, but I like to just use the video post right here. So this is the script that I use for my social media, for my short form content. But I know a lot of you guys on here are going to be wanting to do maybe like a faceless AI channel or things along the lines of that nature. So you don't even have to go to ChatGPT. You're just able to go right here and create your own story topic. So let's talk about, I don't know why I'm talking about animals so much. So dolphins that are friends. Story type, let's go with just some fun facts about dolphins. 30 seconds, generate the script. Let's go whimsical. I think this is like an animated type of video. Previously, I talked about how you need to go into like 11 labs and everything to do the voiceovers in CapCut. Everything is done for you in here. And so we're going to go, let's go with Charlotte for the voice. Stability, I don't normally mess with all these things. Voiceover is fine. We're going to disable the watermark and let's add the captions. We're going to put them at the bottom. That is fine. And let's draft the video. Now, one thing with Blotato is you're not able to make not long form, but YouTube styled, like long form videos yet. But that is in the works, I believe. And I'm going to cut to when the script is done generating. All right, the script is done generating. And then as you can see right here, it has the image prompt already built out for each one of these shots. So now all we're going to do is just hit generate. Now with the credits, you get a certain amount of credits for free, and then you would have to pay, obviously. But the plan that I'm on right now is $30 a month, and that is more than enough for the type of videos that I'm creating. And as you can see below, these dolphins are perfect if you wanted to make like an AI, something for like kids or something. There's just so many use cases. And I'm going to cut to when the video is done.
Did you know dolphins make friends just like us? These playful creatures form tight bonds, often helping each other out. They share food and even protect their buddies from danger. Imagine swimming alongside your best friend.
So you can see that with the quality of the AI generated images, the voiceovers, the text. We've just made this super quick, and we are able to take that, download it, and post it. Now, real quick, I want to talk about that is because we were able to do that super quick. And because of one of these things called ACEs, we're going to be able to start just building and building and building. And what ACEs stands for is that stands for attention, conversation, educate, and sales. Now, you're on this channel because you obviously want to start making money with AI, and you're not going to be able to make any money with AI or any money in business if you don't have attention. With the social media and content creation, we do all of this stuff to get attention. And then the conversation comes from whether you are, talking to someone in the chat, or let's say you actually get their email and you start talking to them on their email list. That's when you can start educating them on whatever tool or service that you have. And then that's when the sales can happen. If you don't have attention, if you don't have any eyeballs, you're not going to be able to make money. So I briefly just wanted to go through that. If you have been on this channel for a while, I definitely talk about that. But I always like to bring it up because my mentor talked about that. And because once I shifted my focus from, man, I want to make money, to more so, man, let me start getting views and let me start pumping out enough content. That's when that snowball effect took place. So once you have this video built, you're going to want to download it. Next step would be to going to marketing. We're back in the go high level, and you're going to want to schedule this out onto your scheduler. Now, this is super easy. Tutorials in the checklist. All you would need to do is first connect all your different social media accounts, and then you would just schedule it on the calendar. So as you can see right here, I have pretty much all of February scheduled out for the most part. You would pick the social media accounts that you would want. You would hit upload, and then you would upload that into your media storage on Go High Level, and then you would schedule it out on here and then post it. Now, once you have that posted and it's going out to your social media, you're going to need to have something in the background that's going to allow you to educate these people. So I want to talk about the automation section of this. Now, there's different automations, like we have some automations in here. These are some archived ones that I have, but the one that I want you guys to start out with first is going to be the new email opt-in. And the reason why I want you guys to use this one is because, one, there is about 50 emails already built out for you, and I have built out custom values in these emails. And what a custom value is it allows you to take your affiliate link, and then it's going to post it into all of these hyperlinks right here automatically. So as you can see in this email right here, click get started, there is a custom value right here. And then we're going to go down here, click on this one. There is a custom value right here. So the reason I do this is because if everyone was importing my snapshot, it would mean that they would all have to go in here and delete my affiliate link instead of your guys's. Now, it would be cool if I could just use my affiliate link and still get the credit, but that's not the point. I want to help you guys start making money. So I put that custom value in there because once you guys get your affiliate link, all you would need to do is just go to settings. Now, before I go to settings, I just want to cover, all right, how do I get my affiliate link? Super simple. Go to AI tools and then pick whichever tool you want to use. These tools up here are the ones that I'm using. Now, you can actually use Blotato as your affiliate, paid for it. So what you need to do is just go over here, click affiliates, scroll down, and then where is it? Boom, join the affiliate program, and it's going to take you through the program. Now, for Blotato's, it's up here, but a lot of these, like Go High Level, for example, a lot of these software tools, if you scroll down to the bottom, that is where you're going to find the place to become an affiliate. So right here, become an affiliate, sign up. If you just look on the screen, you will be able to find the affiliate, and any tool on this checklist has an affiliate program. So that is why. Essential tools and then the top picks all have affiliates. These are the ones that I'm pushing heavy right now. Traffic ID is a really cool tool. 11 Labs is a really cool tool. Let's go ahead and jump back into what I was going to talk about, which is how do you set up your custom value. So once you get your affiliate link, let's just go ahead and not an affiliate link, but I'm just going to use this as the demo portion. We are going to go to settings. We're going to go to custom values, and then we are going to create a new custom value. All you're going to need to do is type affiliate link. Value is where you paste your affiliate link, and then you're going to hit create. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine created. You just need to repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, I like to tell people the first 30 days, don't worry too much about making money. You should worry about building your email list. I talk about what that looks like in the members only video. If you have any questions, go ahead and join here. Put them in the chat to get access to the digital playbook. Like I said, just go to digitalplaybook.com so you can join the group and grab the free checklist. Now, I know I went through everything pretty quickly. I do plan on going live in my group so I can start having more conversations with you guys. I appreciate you guys joining. That is it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.